Recently, I shared businesses that are a complete waste of time in today's world because I know how it feels investing your time, your energy, your resources into something, and at the end of the day, you don't get to make any money from it.
Emotional damage.
I mean, it can be very, very heartbreaking. In fact, I don't know anything that is more heartbreaking than that. Let me know in the comment section if there's anything that is more heartbreaking than putting your time and energy into something, and then at the end of the day, you don't make any money off of it. And again, it would be so unfair of me if I share businesses that you shouldn't do without sharing businesses that you should do. And that is why I'm making this video, to share with you 11 businesses that is guaranteed to make you money. And guess what? Is 100% AI proof. That is, AI is not going to be taking your job anytime soon. So if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. By the way, if you're new on this channel, I'm 7-Figure Boss, and on this channel I share digital skills that will help you make money online. So if this is something that you are interested in, please pay attention so that you can learn everything that I have for you in this video, and maybe by the end of the video you would be prompted or convinced to subscribe to the channel and join the 7-Figure community. But until then, let's get into the video. So number one on my list is video editing. Video editing is a very good skill to learn in today's world, and guess what? AI is not going to be replacing video editing, because I mean, we shoot a movie, for instance, AI is not going to know which shot to pick, what to take, and all that. AI will help enhance, simplify, fast track your editing process, but AI can't take over the entire editing process. So it needs a real human. So if you learn video editing, you're going to be making over 7 figures from it, because there are a lot of content creators out there. In fact, even me, I'm hiring video editors, just in case you're a video editor. If you learn video editing, you'll be able to edit any type of video, be it movie, music video, documentary, long form content, short form content, even adverts. You can be able to edit it all, and you can make money from all sides and angles. And guess what? Video editing was part of the foundation that got me here, because at an early stage, I started video editing and I was editing movies and music video for artists. So I was making a lot of money from video editing. Now, if you're looking to go into video editing, all you have to do is to learn any editing software like Premiere Pro, Final Cut, DaVinci Resolve, CapCut, InShot. Anyone that you learn with is fine, but personally, I'm using Premiere Pro and CapCut. So if you learn any of this, you're going to be making a lot of money using these softwares. And all you have to do is to go over to YouTube, depending on which one you want to learn it and start practicing little by little. And before you know it, you're going to be well grounded. And that brings us to number 2, which is blogging. Now, when some people hear the word blogging, their mind goes to Instagram blogging and all of that. No, that is not the blog that I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is a self-hosted blog where you write articles and post it on your website, and then Google is going to place advert on the blog, and then you're going to make money in return. And blogging doesn't mean that you have to be posting news, celebrity gist, and all of that. See, anytime you search anything on Google, the result that you get is someone that wrote it. Someone wrote that article, and that is what you're going to be doing, right? Any information, whether you search how to make money online, or you search how to fix your glasses, or how to fix your computer, someone wrote it. So you're going to write yours, you're going to write your article, you're going to get into a niche, write your article, and then upload it on your website, and Google is going to place an ad on your blog articles, and then you're going to make money in return. And guess what? AI doesn't work here. Google doesn't rank any article that is written by AI, because all the information that you get from AI were crawled from the internet, crawled from the things that people like you and I wrote on the internet, and that is what the AI is putting together and giving you as a result. So if AI is now being the one to generate what is written, that means there won't be originality, and then we're not going to be having that human feel. You know, when you're reading a blog or an article, there's this feeling that you're going to be getting from the article, maybe solve your problem or something. All those things need to be done by real humans. So if you're looking to start a blog and you're hoping to write those articles with, you know, AI, trust me, Google is not going to rank your articles. And if your articles are not ranked, then you're not going to be making any money. But again, I'm not really now AI. You can still use AI to sequence your blog posts, structure it and all of that. But when it comes to writing the entire article, you have to do it yourself. And that is the only way you can succeed as a blogger in today's world. And number 3 on my list is software and app development. Now, there's a lot of ways to do this. The first way is to learn programming, learn software engineering. Yes, it's going to take you a couple of months to learn, but trust me, once you learn it, you're going to be making a lot of money off of it. And again, AI will not replace this job, but what AI can do is enhance the process, speed up the process, correct your code, generate codes for you, but you have to still piece it together. So it's best that you learn how to do it. And even the AI platforms, you can be the one to create it, right? You can be the one to create the AI platforms, because of course someone has to do that, and that should be you. So if people are looking to create AI platforms like ChatGPT and all of that, you should be the one to do it for them and charge them for it. So in today's world, if you are a software or app developer, you're going to be making a whole lot of money. All you need to do is to learn the process and then piece things together. But that is one way to do it. The other way you can do it is by reselling other people's app and softwares. All right, you can resell already made app, already made softwares, and you're going to be making a lot of money from it. I'm going to be sharing platforms that you're going to be getting apps and softwares towards the end of this video, so you might want to stick around so that I can get all the information on how to get those softwares and how to get those apps and then resell them and make a lot of money from it. And that brings us to number 4, which is web designing. Now, web designing can never go out of style. People still need landing pages, people still need funnels, people still need a website that explains or houses everything about them, e-commerce store and all of that. And this is something that AI cannot do. I mean, there are people that say, oh yes, AI can generate a website and all of that, but it can never be dynamic, because I know what goes into web development, and I can tell you for free that AI got nothing on this. So you are covered. You can start web designing and start making a lot of money. And there are so many ways to do web designing. You can start with Canva website. I've talked about this a lot on this channel, and I've done a tutorial on how to design any type of website using Canva. I'll leave the link in the description so that you can watch it after watching this video. And number 5 on my list is content creation. Now, a lot of content creators are making tremendous amount of money from content creation. I can't begin to tell you how much content creators make from YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. There's a whole lot of money in the creator economy. So I don't know what you're waiting for, why you don't want to start creating your own content today. Some people will tell me that, oh, they are shy, they are not sure of themselves and everything. I don't know why you're not sure of yourself, but trust me, no matter how unsure you are, no matter how you doubt yourself, there is someone somewhere that you're 100 times better than, that is crushing it on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I don't know what you're waiting for. I don't know why you're waiting for other people's validation to be able to make money for yourself or to create a path that flows in money for you. So I would advise you, forget all those feelings. All those things will come and go. And listen, if you started today, 2 years from now, you'll be completely unrecognizable, but you need to start. They say a journey of 1,000 miles starts with a step. So you just need to get started and start creating your content. It might not be amazing at first, but trust me, you get to learn on the job. And that brings us to number 6 on the list, and that is tutoring. Just a while ago, I mentioned video editing, I mentioned web designing, and people are going to be learning from someone. So be that someone that people are going to learn from. You need to find your skill, find the thing that you can do so well that people can actually learn from. Be it instrumental, maybe a skill or something. Just find something that you can teach someone and make money off of it. And on number 7 is data entry. Now, data entry is the talk of the town now. People are making a lot of money off of it. In fact, people are hired from all over the world to do data entry. This is something that AI can't do. AI can take something that is written on this paper, and put it on a system or a computer. It's not possible. AI can't do that. So that is where you come in. So if you learn data entry, you're going to be making a lot of money. You're going to get a job in a lot of companies. Microsoft is hiring, Apple is hiring. A lot of companies from all over the world are hiring data entry specialists. I've done a tutorial on this before. I'm going to be leaving it in the description, and I'm also going to be putting, companies that are currently hiring data entries in the description so they can get to it after watching this video, so that you can learn everything that you need to know about data entry and how to get started. And then next one is online personal assistant. Online personal assistant is very, very lucrative in today's world because almost everybody is doing something online. Either you're doing business or you're sourcing your information from the internet, or you're promoting your business, your music, your everything. In fact, everything is done online. So the more things you know how to do, the more money you're going to be making. If you know how to close deals, if you know how to reply DMs and get people to buy, you're going to be making a lot of money. So it's a very good business to start. You're going to create a portfolio website listing out all these things you can do. You can also have an Instagram account for that, and then you can have listing on Upwork, Fiverr, and all the rest of them. Now there are 21 Fiverr alternatives that you can also sign up and get a lot of job from there. I've done the video a while back. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description so that you can as well watch it after watching this video. And that brings us to the next one, which is cyber security. Now, this is a very, very lucrative skill to have in today's world because anything that we are doing online is at a security risk. Even the AI that we're using is at a security risk. Anybody can hack it from anywhere. So it's your job as a cyber security engineer, or whatever they are called, to make sure that all those things doesn't happen. People in cybersecurity make over $100,000 every year. Imagine how much you're leaving on the table. And that brings us to the next one, which is travel and tours consultant. Now, this one is self-explanatory, and trust me, it's a very lucrative job. Now, you're not an agent, you're just a consultant. So if someone wants to travel to a particular country and the person is confused, they are going to consult you, and then you're going to provide all the links, all the details that they need, and you're going to get paid. Because a lot of people are getting scammed. There are a lot of scam websites, there are a lot of clone websites, and that is where you come in. You're going to be their guide and make sure you provide all the legit link that they need, and you're going to be making the whole process easy step-by-step process for them, and they are going to be thankful and they are going to pay you for it. There's a lot of people making money from this, and you too can make money from it if you know about traveling. Even if you don't know, you can always go and learn from somebody. I always encourage seeking knowledge. Go out there and seek for knowledge. Learn as many things as possible because you don't know which one that is going to be putting food on your table. And that brings us to the next one, which is job servicing. Now, I'm very excited about this because this one doesn't require any skill, doesn't require any knowledge whatsoever. Now, this is the one that I promised you earlier that I'm going to be sharing the link to those platforms. Now, you can be doing job servicing. And what is job servicing? Job servicing is simply, if I have an exchange service, for instance, you can also start an exchange service, but you don't know how to do exchange. All you need to do is to mark up the price, sell to someone else, and once the person pays you, you're going to pay me, and then I'm going to deliver the job as if you're the one delivering the job. Now, where this is going to come into play is that there are platforms like codecanyon.net and appsumo.com. These platforms have an already made softwares and apps that you can just resell on your platform. You can have a website, your Instagram page, or even Fiverr. You just resell these platforms and then you're going to get paid for it. And there is a lot of apps that you can find there. You can find delivery app, ride share business app. You can find any app or softwares that you can ever think of on these platforms. Then all you have to do is, once somebody pays you, you're going to now go over to those platforms and purchase those apps or softwares. And guess what? It's very, very cheap. So an app you bought for $35, it's valued at $600, $1,000 in the market. So you can actually make a whole lot of money from this. And if you're looking to learn how you can do this, I've made this video for you. So go ahead and watch it and learn all you need to know about this job servicing. And guess what? You're going to definitely thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.